I like how the talks are structured in terms of dealing with professionals, then the few students that are also present right now, and also people's interest in like AI in general and generative AI, which is more than what I was expecting before coming to this Devfest. So that was the best part of it.
It was a great experience altogether. People are really bummed up. They are really good with the energy.
And it was such a thrilling and learning experience. I learned so much of things here.
People are interacting a lot that way. There are technology related folks as well. They were asking specific questions about technologies, and then they were interacting based on that. So that's a really good a technical crowd which I got to see here.
I was just talking to organizers. It was amazing. Like everything is well coordinated right from the venue, arrangement for speakers, even for the audience. Audience is also very interactive. The location is very good, and it's definitely a very good organized event, and I enjoyed a lot.
And like deliver the especially the machine learning topic towards the audience, which is especially to the young generations. I feel that this is one of the amazing session I have ever given. And I went to the lot of events, but yeah, GDG is a special one that I visited today as an honor to be a speaker.
I mean, it was incredible to say the least. The crowd was exhilarating, the event was very well organized, and the fact that I was given an opportunity to speak to such a curious and engaging audience was in itself, is an honor, and I just loved it.
So this is my first Devfest, okay? So I am attending the Devfest from 2018, I believe, okay? And this is my first experience as a speaker, okay? And it's wonderful, okay?
So I was so much excited, and obviously the experience was really good because today I had interacted with more than 400 people on my stall because I was representing the Google Cloud campaign. And Google Cloud campaign was about cybersecurity campaign which recently they launched. And today I conversed with more than 400 people and they were versatile, and I was really much amazed to interact with them.
The most important is the diversity and the way it is aligned for, let's say, they planned in 3 months of consecutive, so that everyone get a chance, and it's more like celebrate as a festival, as the name says, Devfest. So it's actually a developer festival, and good to see that like everyone in the world, all the community, and specifically it's organized by the community and supported by the team. So I think that's the best part.